dubotu ma share oye Akufo-Addo ne agenda 111 hospitals oye various stages at completion to the extent they be home for one commission. The only thing abaning here is to operationalize it to the Bukrodi. Oye Minister for Health obey. I can't obey. Also, the government needs 70 million Ghana cedis to operationalize Oya Bukro Hospital. Abana say he can only complete 10, and the 10 or the 100 million Ghana cedis or the beshim. Obey then now for nurse for no goofy no
or the 100 million.
100 million
101. And we do 292 million
for Pampers. A pad, sanitary pad. So I'm doing what the man, I'm doing a man who know what the man. Now you're there, actually fanciful thing. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. Yes, when you COVID-19 tax if you, but anyway we introduce new taxes. E-commerce tax, airport development tax, Nina Alaba. Airport development tax. To be frank, Nankasa na ban at force and all report to the Ghanaian people. I say 2024, the cost of consumption in Ghana was around 5.4%. But in 2025, the cost of consumption rose to 6.7%. Telling you that since you know, abandoned Ghana for who's be brave. Why? Because we increase electricity. Water more, fewer prices. It is the cost of doing business and doing household consumption. What was that? That is the reality. Abu say anya dama oman onko nenim eke mekade 2025 abani ye the big push which is one of their top eya worker wo be or the 13 point or allocated 13.1 billion Ghana.
But my problem is say
owie no
my problem is say aban no we say what the project we be fair 24-hour economy what your campaign message campaign promise aka ne ha we allocate 110 million Ghana cedi and they koye sa project no project ya enye new manifesto like Goko Ketenkete we allocate 245 million Ghana cedis and they ko Goko Ketenkete 245 million na almighty agenda 111 we would be competing good one would be 50 crash star a better nurse for Juma Ayeno. Apart from what the 100 million
100 million
and I go get to do 245 million.
Go and operationalize Bukro Hospital with 70 million. Now for nurses and doctors and other health workers, no. So Abu me who for that you analyze budget, you know.
Yeah.
It's extremely painful. Abuja road sector, Abanika there, Nagasana Abano. What's the road sector? I want to build a road network. Into allocated 13.1 billion in 2025. And we release that. We release only 5.8 billion, less than 50% of the money. We release. Why? Because Bosha no share no. The then minority catch and look, you cannot say that there at the petroleum levy in the question road sector. Yes, Akufo-Addo or the majority of the petroleum levy or the question agenda 111. And now why Abana Bay or your Abana right? Why shift them petroleum levy in 100%? 100% of the petroleum levy in no do call or your big push. Into I expect that in 4 years Obotum will generate 10 billion. But Ele Kadamasa no obianim the oil prices in the world market or fluctuate. In terms to find projection. I put a projection. You have to come down so that prices no before no who's can oboko form. Eba benimina prices of crude oil in the world market here $92. Since I'm you can say it is around $58-60. It is our this why do me there. E be 13 billion a year. E da gre enya half mpo. Nti promises na making in no eh. Is it not interesting? In the same budget, a Kitida Atuforce and Abana allocate contract of 60.5 billion Ghana cedis for road construction, including the expressway from Accra to Kumasi. But in Imsko allocate them na 30.8 billion. Sika awo enim dey be release no. Aquaman contract almost times 2. That one is even against the law.
So in this case, is it our normal road from Accra to Kumasi stretch? And it's a new road altogether.
Also create a new 6-lane road.
Aka normal one.
Our friend expressway
from Accra to
Kumasi, and they will.
Are they going to loot the bypass now? I don't know the first one I said.
Messi. I mean, Yeleka Adia Watro Waba.
Yes, you also need to digest it.
I agree. I will create from Accra to from Circle, no, quite a road where in Fabium.
But I said, for Accra and you say, what bar from Amasaman? It was the road will be in Fabia, and now we are Pokwasi de Ya, and one continuation. Now, what the him.
So, what will create a new 6-lane road?
Okay, yeah, hey, Ebiana means that amount for what by near there, and also compensation. Okay, that's kind of 30.8 billion. Job compensation creating the road. Now, that are no crown, other young men, it's a express lane.
Missy, into my camera starts and make sure the same coupon pedo vindicate wa Obama. Abana na nipa wo enemy no Obama opportunities ni nyina not ashanansa into the Ghana for what they 57% whatever Mahama wo you one man parliament there parliament ni mpode say minority ni mpo ankwa ahon mo opa bia awon then 1 year owie no best we use dictatorship we chief chief justice or if you wa sana mo judge one case where you want chief justice one sana appoint judges 61 one from 69 wo fani o de bibia mo Nyankopon de bibia la ma president Mahama it a bibia opodo ye biara odo ye ne wo Ghana ha aye nyina ye de enwe be den ye de bohu also a new expressway well like I say aban and our parliament will approve 30.8 billion Ghana cedis one for more. One case of finance minister and so say one sada ma contract road contract or 60.8 billion. Now the man some work out one also or ya dodo. Abu she me say nyama olokodo ne ho a obodu stage bi ho a epim wia you come back to the same Ghanaian people. No more you in the politicians they don't learn. The budget only thing a minority working or a worthless jobless how far the be alone famba because as some like can onye juma now I say a new district hospitals. Yes, district hospital are all complete. None we need. Another thing okay. What's it? Also will be JHS buildings 2026. And we don't also be 2,000 JHS buildings. 2,000. I could find the catch on the double track. In 2018, from 2019, I was started award the contract. Now, what upgrade existing secondary schools so that double track we travel. Now, where your calculation in na? We bought we are to the 2027. About some ladies if okay, Mahama. I said the government of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo are not thinking. Now, or danka one private schools, one arrangement. No one wants to participate in the free SHS. No, now anka double track no double track. Now, within 120 days, they will implement that. Education Minister Wakada once they've realized they cannot achieve that. So this year, 2025, our danka what is your budget team? No what's the schools ni bika we see. We Jenny in a next double track no them all kodo. Now what's it 2026? Banana well award the contract. No I'm with this then Ghana for. I want to preside there. By 2028 you about to have next double track war. You see, your wadi bi wo abu one fair your politics urban education, health, cost of living. One fair your politics. And they are because I ain't the same market. The same market, the same school, the same hospital na yako on your politics. In Japan, but today, who bred the pain? Why ya don't know do ko baby? In Tampana, na to your donor do ko nim. On your demand, Adelia in the little man abor. For 1 year, there was no expansion in secondary schools. There was no expansion because Abano, why can't we Ghana for an answer there? On Oba, Oba use private schools. No, what I free SHS. Abu, Ghana is the only country. Our parent, a yeni, Sebu, a yeni, or the two men never school or private school were basic to DHS. But local secondary school, and more private. So, Ghana, the richest men in Puapada Wamba Oko, secondary school or public school. Into Aban, who brother, Akufo-Addo, now Dr. Mahmoud Ban, why start expansion? Just continue. Politics are winning. Abu, Ghana, for the first time in so many years, agri farmers why a demonstration there. Demonstration why and the one answer me there. Where do you blow now? Oh yeah, and one why budo. Now so when you be among then on top. Na abanda don't know kweno. What setting a buffer stock and what my free SHS for no. The man fear you 2025 on aban one what we need bano. And money bruno one to. Why? Because abano kwashabo in other education free SHS or the policies or the shop there on oba. Sikana wadu to the ban wadu shamo from a secondary school no on oba or bam headmaster for no. No wa kwa masama ngum. No wa koto aponchi nam ne ntwinam ne di bana wada ye di bana ama oye school for no. Only 3-4 months in government na ban through the education minister bekede the man didn't want to me ebium ne sikana oda nka wode ma buffer stock wokoto the farmers will need di bana watermale northern region no wanto it is a farmers will nebro emo ina oye beans na ada what to any wanto since we demonstration na so abanese wa allocate 240 something million.
What about 245 million?
What about
so I'm said now can I say the government is set to construct 200 new junior high schools, 200 new primary schools, 200 kg blocks, 400 4-unit teachers bungalows, and 400 places of convenience in underserved communities.
Now aban.
So 400 400 200 400.
The mass will catch
that is it.
Abu the mass will catch one. One on the work at the mass of the chain. Who bring the paying?
Okay, and now we can 2,000 200 mom. 200
200 I will obey the next Jamada. What catch one? Look clearly. Aban let's try as much as possible to fulfill the manifesto promise. As or furnish in the budget is already also there. Aban obenya income obeji revenue of 268 billion Ghana cedis. Now so Aban bedi Aban be spend 308 billion, almost 40 billion extra.
To me one
them difference no. Obefiaba. Meanwhile, everybody has a member loan because I've another on loan more bro. It's Abu clearly no. Aban try much as possible to fulfill his manifesto. Now so on them the governance or continuous or continue ni predecessor ni juma na oriye welcome because Ghana sika no what started into other what the Ghana sika yara no what continue e pede de onu go na start bibi afoforo abu onye yi but the problem said the baba it no amede abu ya Canada ma na yi adekura oho adwen so papa aban wo me adebi de aban oya ode ye bona abado today from all the first year finance ministers will try to pull down all your inflation, or try the all your GDP growth, or your primary balance, or try the monetary policy so that try the business climate in Obokweni. But all these were achieved not because Abano why the way generators come wabu do. All was achieved because Abano pede or the 8.8 billion Ghana cedis, $8.8 billion in order to intervene in the forex issues in the country. Into why today artificially bleed no one injection bleeding no one stop nanti pain onyama edru no fiu mala ehwe ne pain na asa na aba
me da se to kono yen hwe kakra na ansa na yakọ lines no so presidential agent aba but aba no be asem say probably is going to also purchase two the account they order that no
abu since the Fourth Republic and in the history the last
na sabono kujo to black organa
the last or apa sisi ano na something ya watu nzungu like a champion na aba no wato yen presidential jet what the man until the president Kufuor ya na adwin there opodo to presidential jet yetin sama okay for Ken wa Ghana ha even the late Atamosi Kembi President Mahama Kembi Ghana fu nyina because of asumudaw a Ghana fu penti no wo Ken no wo say hey abeda yensi school we yensi hospital we quarter presidential jet me wa na President Kufuor no opodo to dem jet no ya do betrem bio oye ho arrangement wo koto kese kor wo yi ekaya President Kufuor do baby no Obasanjo no man left oko EU meeting na we na Obasanjo wa man left no de na aba Ghana oko United Nations no Obasanjo man left no de na aba Ghana who they know or they to plane and then this time no you need to plane kakraba you to kese kor na ya to kakraba kor because o man pay bi olutu kwana or the oye businessmen be 50 and now you order the one call so that they can attract a lot of investment. Now what talk akraba kra aban na no paying for kakra ebia 13 people go to me to kwan no ayi at a month bay oboto da menhye na President Kufuor aye na wa order no mu twakese no no wakoto all your arrangement no talk akraba no President Kufuor na ngase mpo ya da marrying one thing me because no they were doing populist politics in the demo plane no ina no wa ba asemi akufo adu ya na adwende oh say demo plane no wa ba asama yesterday start the process yankoto plane for eni ma asama okuja to abek one more kan what's the demo plane ya wakwa ya service what that be okita 3 engines sa akufo adu ni mi mpo na 2 engines say ya obotum selo obotum na akọ and the president Mahama Beno the engines no say ya odo kono okọ eni ono ndo ntum fonko but ni nyina na abu or yeah, some of the irresponsible politics now some in painful bi Ghana where on fa subiamba or yeah banna ne rights and na omano no ne oye nimnyam there ye bobo modern ye benya plane na odimu a obutum afa mampanyin na nasoofo na Ghana fo no obutum oni wona tukwan in their safety in their comfort so that omano ye mboka obebre since e bi na ya qualify ya kwa World Cup and World Cup budget abana etwa 150 or dosu sin 24-hour economies
to be 101.24 and the omo kan sakako just confuse people say that because they can say Obed Mahama China
Blasters now World Cup 1 month no Blasters World Cup 1 month
150 million
150 million 24-hour economy no be create employment man go 110
but I say
the whole promise was
from teacher constitution we am say I know that all Ghanaians who voted
a expansion from Kaswa to Winneba then to Mankesim you know what you nyina government of Ghana yina no wodre and still I know what agenda 111 until oil petroleum proceeds no what there since abani be no so there agenda 111 is not on your priority man it the misikani nyina this year this year abani expect 2.5 billion dollars from petroleum proceeds already it's almost about 30 to 35% down because of fuel prices world market wakufum into them 2.5 na abana zarenka it was based on that in aban or yeah the big push na no kaka wona ade into achara agenda 111 under ho into nurse fu no sisi a wehu there na aban bi dwunu won ho but what the politics into why but elections so they into reverse results yes someone adwunu mpo I am disappointed mpo you need to live with it for the next 4 years it you know abu NDC what's the party in here into every year be over sponsor my party in sika at the constituencies and the region 85 million Ghana cedis
Marty
aka band the to me can try oh yeah AI no all
right that is it aka 89 days na MPP abano atono edu 31st January 2026 DMB ne to no de aba well me say di hu nkoma kakra bi em say be Wednesday na afi ento aso yen kwa da
Abu mamenka de mamenda MPP National Council fu ase.
Yeah,
I believe them afi yeto aba wie ya ye ba afi mu. One of the most important decisions the party no paying will take here to hold the election on 31st of January 2026. Mejide de oboboa ma asomdwe odot na party ni mu. Odot na party ni mu. Nkabo mo odot party ni mu no. Yeto the ma be wia brodo na obaba. Ewia ono obaka oye polling station to national. Campaign no on nyina adehye 5 ni nyina no woroko campaign. Oye I mean, almost obia. I have personally taken a decision to support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because we feel that he is the most marketed, most prepared, and obia or what the necessary temperament and character to handle the office of the president in 2020.
I'm receive no Western Hano.
From since Saturday, may follow Oye campaign to any day Oba Oye Angunan Quanta, Obushia Oye Hunter West Oye party painful and Muhu Oye one immediate past member of parliament, Honorable Kudukum, Mimiaje, because you'll be for the second part of Nana Dankwa Kufado Nabano, Sebio or Yaria, no Kofumpu, Wobonukun,
oh, okay. Yeah, that man.
Yeah, okay. Program Nibi, into your Mama Mimiaje, Papa, na Miti. Oh, yeah, and in the particular constituency in Canada, Japan, we need, oh, yeah, 2 years ago, primaries, you know. We need Mutuma can't show there. Oh, yeah, I'm Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be winning them constituency no afi because yes, the Juma ya or na me feed or ye are able to me winning them city. And pay His Excellency or start what John Moro or your constituency of John Mora about Tiwabe Tikobo number 1 if you are Waba Elembele. From Elembele no aba oye evaluate jura adwomoro jura wo oye axim oye nyamenado ma echina oba start wo mpoho 9 o'clock ofiwa oba kwesimintim no aba afia no aba takrade constituency the most powerful constituency in the region now aba ha
gadin da say echina ni betime de eche na sa oba ya de betime ko oba tawa na
oye nyamenado ma echina takrade constituency nti moto nsafro a wona wutim ni nyina no wombra
yeah say ye di eche ni nya da agin boy
wombra and takrade de I personally on behalf of the constituency invite one adibia wo hia oboto what part of what the ban wonka me yapona one mama aswente na wombra
ye ba be here bia fa if ya de nkwa be ginam denden
enyumbre 5 o'clock wombra na nya celebrate. I believe we have to open the doors for all the flag bearers
okay
na obiamba kanasam Dr. Mahmoud Ba baby maintain e kodru no personally I'm not listening to him because of the other people now up to now if you won't take a decision in your constituencies anymore what do when you now also or kasa no would take now we to make informed decision
okay
na meji there
right. So in this case now African policy lens for Edisabe Biaba Omode NATO 63%, Canada Japan 28.9%, Dr. Brian Echampon 4.6%, Osaya Duchum 1.5%, and then Engineer Kwableje Japan 1.2% respectively.
Yeah.
Meaning the part 30,000 plus. No more din komo. When we are done deal for Dr. Bawumia and I say
30,000 plus is constitute almost about 10% of the voting population.
For sure.
May read on the surface African lens, African
policy
lens. One
the president Kwakasano pay.
Dr. Bonfe.
Dr. George Donfe.
That's good. He's somebody. He's an economist. Follow the power, and he makes a lot of positive predictions about the economy. It is good. I mean, personally. Obiara any democratic institution Obiara play no role, but I mean no support to be an Morocco election even though analysts for researchers one predictions will be making yeah it's good, but the truth is be focused and prosecute your campaign. Because Eddie Agra, bet say 63% for Dr. Mahmoud Bao, Eddie Agra mo trima yodo, ne juma no, eji mato. If you dey nkofno to abamo. No, prosecute the campaign. So they were about to baby we no be declare. It's yes, it's good that we predict. I know by hook or crook I am Dr. Mahmoud Bao me win. But I'm interested in the percentage. Order Dr. Mahmoud Baomi order Tumunya, because it is also helps in the unity of the party. It, I wonder what I predict. Men with the info analytics, I also predict that Dr. Mahmoud Baomi will win. But look, one day in an election process is a long time. Ebotum enyadamo areshemi de yimya wolekede win. Edagra December 28. And January 28, maybe able to master.
Marty,
it's iron DMB and any team or Western region, and I believe Dr. Mahmoud Baomi and team or various regions, they should keep their eye on the ball, be focused and prosecute the agenda, because clearly Dr. Mahmoud Baomi is the best amongst the 5.
Okay.
Now, I'm the marker. Elections, President Kufuor, no, okay, also the Muwendi Adinichi. Na bibia record biara
forward him we Deputy Secretary Constituency Secretary for the New Patriotic Party Takrade na what say me no bonkomo Western in the morning, so and now pay live Western Diamond TV live on so Western Diamond TV live on YouTube, Western Diamond TV live YouTube. It's a new page. Mon subscribe to our channel, for comment to her you be kind of platform, so e dia ma pay mamentia chairman Kwame Gusu constituency chairman Ermade Somo Adanse Asokwa, and I pay a special good morning to chairman Kwame Usu Minchi Asonko Kra Name Unsao. Unim say Deputy Secretary is the only constituency chairman Ghana Henyina say police station officer biwu, electoral area officer biwu a wonu single-handedly oto daka. Where constituency chairman Adanse Asokwa oto adaka ne personal money adaka de many pano na ntebusafo no nto adaka owia wonu asa yi botom sika e de akobon san in the name of the party e de ama ebusafo a omo constituency is the only chairman across the country. And tiara pay mamentia chairman Kwame Gusu special good morning wonu so Dr. Baumia campaign akase pa is the only one only di Dr. Baumia bid no to make sure say we win elections. Tiara pay mamentia miamunua chairman Kwame Gusu yemo na baso pa for that day now is obi ayen kakrakra for constituency chairman so obi bewu no ono nko single handle to meet adaka say ko bon sa de ma vision for dia wa de pa yemo batin say other constituency so mo nsem go bie no e betimi aboa say da ya party ni kakrakra be sha man fo nsun kran na akọ wo so enimpa
party ne de support and for one from various angles, Abu, you won't believe it.
Yeah. Be idea pa that's single handedly party the
regional executives and at the
but me na intimate as I was surprised. Wow.
Abu, seriously, even Takrady here.
Yeah.
Apart from the Nipakrunumpu or your party executive, Obimpo on your party executive. But maybe your MPP and your constituents. For a very long time, Sebio Jaminya Manosi, Otumu member of parliament na Odakosre. No wama wakoto wataman.
But it's a time when I can ask them. Ne yiri timini ne kun now. So on your party na nwa ni sika. Party ni ma opposition bia. Na do sika se odi ni papa
obi timi jana yire.
Ne yiri so timi hu se wa bobu sika no
for the party.
Wa bobu sika no no. Wa cha anadu amanfo asiri pe kan sika. Obi e ko boa. No no ntakwa. Obi o hompo. So ba party ni ade we. Obi o hompo. Chama ko so no me be boa me manfo.
Obi o hompo oja no kuru for that. Because if you hompo on ne yimpo sika na so na party ni ba.
Yeah, no ba ko hompo party ni.
Honorable Kobe. It's why at a point na ebinom what the nam what the propaganda there Kobe ano mo pan there party baby another party baby nye no one to other come from. They used it against Honorable Kobe.
I see.
I'm telling you. But a bet simple day. I want to put Walla Kadamasa. I want to put Wakadamasa. We also was an walk on Nanto, Kuya, no Kunishi, no Kwajidamu support.
Mate,
politics, no. Political leadership, no. Or complex. It's, you know, sometimes, you know, or they when you gunyame be breed.
Yeah.
Na mboano ewa na aboa na eboa mfide oya de papa sometimes I don't know onto when you other na if you there awa ni nyanses na obi am de bi ameka me say aware na e bia se bi obi mbo wa because on a planning ele you would obi ani wa plan the other plan there mrokoto adeka but auto apofrum nti oduru baby an ehwe na skin ni wo nti ndo nya aboa fo obo
me da se pa na
usu nya menhire
yes anope ma mentia amanfo e me security doors mo omo mbese omo dim like omo dim a chika me ko ba bia omo dim a chika kare doso unim w1 ye bo a se mo anu omo di na kufuado di ha so de ni tenten gram kase bi odi na chi awabo pa no no ho dendenden no ara pro no me chat se obedi nkwase mu bi obia obedi nkwase bi ara me friend na o me ask kakra w1 ye bo a me champion man we are fa se no pe wa je pa asi obaba takra de na obedi nkwase bi ara friend
abu monti asus ne me ano ye wo oye democratic dictator
okay
this is cyber security
okay for now no say army headquarters na Accra now. I say your headquarters. W1 your boy yes sir. As salist bia me fa.
So you can just say 9 months for no omunhwe no omunye.
Ti onoso no. Mr. No nonsense Mr. Ebu ade. Aha onoso no. Anyway ti yanto asem ko well unemployed teachers in this country are threatening say and then now twe. Wo mo ye demonstration eti aban because as almost a budget now conform by presentation yan capture monistia and they want to demonstrate to exercise their displeasure against this government because one say man you don't kasa on better fiache
my brother uncle baby aban why na adwin sisi ana president Mahama or democratic dictator
Samu
a democratic dictator na abana less than 6 months we chief justice abana less than 6 months 5-star general so ami mu you if you abana within 8 to 10 months no ono onye obia abu no koro wo me dem best start me nkomodi me catchron president Mahama time na obodo ko second term mpo no ye president na obodo ko second term no otumi nya kokudu okay kire Ghana for the on we demonstrations am wa abrodo no where this is Ghana for where demonstration or today sebio aponcha wewu na the second edritwa no honam ono okita dead goat syndrome it's how did have one demonstration or work on you know what solve problem and be no I solve problem there so they should forget but or you want constitutional right or do to work with them demonstration
but other na by on factors are kwada we you see na still a mama nkura stranded way back from 2023 as say ya we are up to now we sanka binya baby ase abana yi wo mu ni ano de 20,000 Ghana cedi ema constituency officers
sikano wade fufuro do ye president na ka kiro do ono oyokita oye odwanfun aso oye odwanfun what the second channel omoja mma it's how we see na president Mahama onsa no nko another term biom no eya demonstration akwaje permit na kwa demonstration but don't expect anything from him.
That's how you man.
And the man will man, according to President Mahama. It's about look. How can you vote for somebody? I am not being your vote. No one catch on what to have about to have on funnel. Yet you went ahead because if you do well other party no. Not to man. No one for what. It's a elbow complainer. Don't complain. just prepare yourself and vote for another party in 2028 because abu nurse for MPP but to nurse for 4 years backlog. MPP but to nurse for 4 years backlog. From 2012 to 2016, President Mahama wan finance for no. Akufo-Addo baba finance for teacher for. Until the COVID the beya omanyama stand still. Now so all boko teacher for one day. Akufo-Addo fire moka 2023 for. 2024 the last year. Until we in anticipation. Me the finance minister then. Makenofurata kwa obe amina anda okache on the oye nyamena adma this year obafa oye teacher fu na nurse fu.
Okay.
Now so what's it? One pedama abano. One madama abano nkofie. Because NDC fu why ni dede bebre there MPP abano no why galamse. Akufo-Addo sisira da pa we wi Ghana ska nyina. Mrekuduka ono no ya garamse nya o West Region ono abu kwabi ono into wombu efu ono abu mesa today wokeka nsam o we wiase nyina wodo toto aban no do nende odo wo fon no adwuma mu no wo ye budget orientation na one for one and complain. I don't complain, but the same aban otumo benya 85 million not that NDC constituency executives and regional executives. And you know that is what we bargain for. It and Saturday and
yeah,
is this Saturday Friday you call 1 week be you know honorable Kobe the headmaster for 2B or be ni edin komo ni ebi on the on sisi a what the edibano what the woman's kind of wanna walk go man no let's I say hey talks awa. Let me say na sound no walk bargaining no ye look Abu, it is high time we hold people at responsible position accountable for their own promises. Sa yanya dama politicians they be able make flimsy promises, lofty promises. Promises are what they kunya girl for. Nepe de kon biado no won sakan. Na ye the mad ni nyina wi na adan we chairman you stab the person. It's Abu teacher for one demonstration work. Yes, it is their constitutional right to demonstrate, but as today president what to do obey they should forget. Abu what the back what I can that
is he not a listening president?
Take it from me. So what the kahumpa will be ejuma 1 year no won't you uncle. Take it from me.
Are you being prophet of doom?
I'm not prophet of doom. That is the reality. The pakono wa scratch line there ono upper power oboboleta kakra no waka no kakra. Waka chro. It awo say still e be gino ho nessa still or the wadwini be di agora. Oye wa wasam. It's I mean make publicly me say I mean personally based on President Mahama Nankasa no public pronouncement I mean minjinindi. Mate mamisha amanfo messages kakra omoje aba emu e wa hana fei mento aso nkom ne hi man hey I don't need African policy lines to declare Dr. Bawumia winner because hard work pays. Please tell WO1 to relax. I am the president of Takrade. Citizen Abacha Takrade. More fire. Woman, ye need to swa. Enkeni. Abacha swa chow pa. Eti Nidia ode aba enso enonom. Ewa. Na no chese one trafa kun. We from a year Obama ko utafo we think. We thank the Ashanti Region MPP caucus in Parliament for distancing themselves from unfortunate tribal bigotry comments from one of their member of Parliament for Ashanti Achim South. I don't say with you, Mama Nkodana. Nipana ba bontia bichi so we don't need to so stretch these issues anymore. Capito go Sumenshia, Dr. Omia will remain the best bet for MPP and has been sold out already. So I'm pleading to all delegates to give him another chance to lead a party. And when come 2028, regards to Honorable Mavis, how
Kumsen, incoming MPP National Women's Organizer, hopeful. This one says from Sule Sunani KTK, Ghana can only eradicate corrupt practices if systems for accountability, transparency, and public participation in government processes created. Corruption can't fight corruption. Okay, some old wine in few bottle today. Those making loudest noises about corruption in government are sick. Ghana needs a leader like Dr. Baumia to put system in place to combat corruption. We Sule Yadase, Edo dia watu amani yen, ene anopeyi enso ewaha. This one from teacher constitution we are moase. I believe the NDC government won't bring benefits to Ghanaians. Neither now nor in the future. They are wasting our time, and their 4-year mandate will yield no positive outcome for the country. Ghanaians should take note and make informed decisions in the next elections. Greetings to Dr. Osei Yao Educhum, Honorable Mavis and Cancer Buodu and Mavis Hawa Kumsen. Teacher Yamasu Constitution, thank you so much for your message. I said, please, my name is Yao. I'm watching live from Kumasi. You guys are doing a wonderful work for the MPP. Hopefully, MPP will win 2028 elections. Yeah, that's it. Eno Diaba. I say, good morning, my brother. I'm Faustina. I'm watching live from Kwadaso. A special greetings to Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. I hope and pray that the delegate vote for him massively come 31st January 2028. Kwadaso for now, pay ma yanchia mo ewo monsumo dia modeba ene anopay ewa. Okay. Mami hwɛ SMS kakra na yɛhwɛ sɛ bɛtuma ba lines ne so na yɛne mo nso abɔ nkɔmmɔ ɛde afiri ha na yɛatoa so ɛwɔ ha. Ɛbɛba lines no sisi a 20248